Want to get a better look at Mississauga Library's contactless pickup service? We're happy to show you how it's done. In this video, we're going to go through some helpful tips for when you're picking up your materials at your location. On the day of your appointment, before you head out, be sure to check your booking confirmation for location-specific pickup instructions, or visit mississaugalibrary.ca/info. A reminder that if you have several items available on your account, you only need to make one booking to pick them up. However, separate bookings will need to be made for different library card numbers. Before you arrive, staff will be busy collecting and preparing your items. Make your way to your location in any way you like. You can drive, bike or skate, walk, and still be able to pick up your holds. On site, there will be signage indicating the contactless pickup location. When it's your appointment time, head toward your location and join the lineup. A reminder that contactless pickup is appointment only. Be sure to maintain physical distance by standing on the designated markers. You should be 2 meters away from other patrons and staff at all times. When you've reached the front, look for the bag marked with the last 4 digits of your library card number. Avoid touching bags that are not yours. No need to provide us with your ID or library card, just pick up your materials and go. They're already signed out to you. You may pick up holds on behalf of someone else, just be sure to remember the last 4 digits of their library card number. If you're looking for your holds and they're not on the table, staff are able to look into that for you. Brief interactions are okay, however for all other inquiries, please contact us via phone or email. Now you can go home and enjoy your materials. Check your account to see when those materials are due back. They can be returned to any outdoor drop box at any time. All library items should be returned through the drop box, even ones that used to be in person only. Also, when using our drop boxes, please note that we are not accepting donations at this time. When you return your items, they will be isolated and remain on your account for 72 hours. Once the 72 hours are up, they will be checked in according to your original return date. These steps are only to be followed if you've A. received a holds notification stating your items are ready to be picked up, and B. you've already made an appointment through Mississauga Library's contactless pickup reservation system. If you still need help booking an appointment, there will be a link to a tutorial in the description below. This concludes our video on how to pick up your holds. For more information, visit mississaugalibrary.ca/info. You can also send us an email at support.library@mississauga.ca.